I will join again after dinner. Yeah, Abhishek, feel free. I think I've seen you in there before, so feel free to share your thoughts and anything else you want to post in there. Asim says, I just joined Discord. Yeah, I just saw your icon pop up. So you're our 46th member. We had 45 when I started. You're number 46. So thanks for joining there. Syed says, I joined the Discord yesterday, but introduced myself there, just taking insight from your chats there. Yeah, and that's totally okay. If you just want to kind of hang back and just see what everybody's discussing, maybe you're still learning, totally okay. That's part of the learning process, to learn from other people. Sometimes you just need a different voice. You just need somebody to kind of explain things to you in a different way in order to understand them. So yeah, glad to see you're in there. I don't want anybody to ever feel in my live streams or in the Discord, I don't want anybody to feel like they have to post like a really insightful, deep question or something else like that. Just introduce yourself, just say hello. Everybody's in a different part of their data science journey, so I want to keep things as inclusive as possible. So Syed says it's 8:15 p.m. in Pakistan. Okay, yeah, that's about the time I would have assumed for this time slot. I sat down with all my little time zones in my maps, and I thought, okay, 1500 GMT seems to be like a reasonable time for most people.